You're so cute. So the mom is, that's the mom. That's Roxy, and the middle one is Trigger. And Trigger already won in one show.
Okay.
And Roxy's had some really good buns. Aren't they cute? No. So they're Tortes. If you need help, I'd be glad to help you, honey.
That hurt my arm. Here, take it.
So, yeah, so we're all hooked up and ready for shows. She looks massive. She is a big girl. So between the two of them, thank you. So they're not used to being
not there.
Like, just
not there.
cuddled a lot.
I'm just trying to get around so I can actually get to the door.
Here, pick up.
There's handles on the side.
There are.
Yeah. You can see the size difference.
Welcome to our homestead.
Trigger looks terrified.
Trigger and Roxy.
Okay, so guys, so they're show bunnies. So she doesn't do a lot of playing with them, mostly posing with them. So he's used to just being picked up and put on a table to pose. So she said you just have to be careful, you might be a little skittish. And she likes her nose rubbed.
Like the bridge of her nose.
Yeah. So they're Tortes. And Roxy's had 2 litters. And he's not been bred before, so we're gonna breed him in a week.
He?
Yep. So this is a
Another
male.
one?
The smaller one is a male, and then the larger one is a brood doe. So she's too big to show. She was shown when she was a junior, but she'll be bred. She's a big girl.
So, Noah, what do you think?
I think we're gonna have too many bunnies soon. We're gonna need
too many bunnies.
Miriam, what do you think?
Not really like Tortes.
Well, we've got more
Different
cages.
than I thought. I didn't know they were Tortes.
Are you excited to have them?
Yeah.
So Tortes
didn't know we were buying so many
more work.
cages.
We're gonna have way more work now.
The reason, well, I've had a lot of
Are you keeping those?
a lot of breeders recommend that you start with Tortes because they're
Small.
Squat down.
what? So I'm too old to squat.
Wait.
He said I would pee my pants. I'm
No,
gonna
I said
pee my
rip.
pants.
I said rip.
Oh, rip my pants. That's even worse. Okay, that's embarrassing. We'll just have to cut that part out.
Maybe. It's a good thing I'm the editor.
I really don't want to be in video, but they recommend that you start with Tortes because they are the most developed and true to breed standards. So when you're starting out, and also we know we have good stock here, and
You're so hot. I'll keep him in the shade.
so when you're breeding Holland Lops, you want to look for like a tablespoon shape. They want to have a little round but be wide. They should be short and come down about the length of their chin, and they should have a lot of width to their head. So when you look on them straight on, you shouldn't really see much of their eyes. This should be like a triangle here, and they should have about room for 1 finger behind the crown, and their crown should be nice and full. So he has a beautiful crown.
The 1 finger when they're properly posed, right?
Right, yep, and they should curve up in the back. And so Roxy here, her ears are a little long, but she's put out some nice buns in the past. So she's come from a great line.
Bunnies.
Her grandpa and her great grandpa and her parents have all done really well in shows. And so here we are. So breeders keep their rabbits much smaller.
Too wet.
Here, just, no. Just set them down right here in the shade. This is a good spot while we're back up. They're not in the shade, you see?
Mm.
Okay. There you go.
This one picks up the
This
entire
way.
page.
This way they'll be in the shade and not overheating while we're setting up their cages. Oh, Noah, do you want to close out our video?
No.
We will Brook
You're
Apiary.
way better at it.
Okay, then can you take the camera?
Yes. That I can do.
So Willow Brook Apiary and Homestead, happy bees, healthy honey, happy homesteading. God bless.